Hello friends, welcome to Mule Sessions. Today I'd like to discuss about externalizing data view code. So how to externalize the data view code. So if you develop a flow, right? So in this flow, maybe you are doing several activities. One of them is a transformation, right? So you configure the transform message component inside. You write some data view code. Okay. So if you write the data view code, right, that is inline to the this flow. So it's like this. I'm going to show you the data view code. So here, this is a flow. So in this flow, the reference to the subflow, and here we have the transform message component, right? So this is a transform message component is plugging some values, right? So this is a transform message code, and if you see the XML, the code lies over here, right? So the code is inline. The code is inline. So we don't means we can't reuse this code efficiently. If the code is inline, the scope of this data view transformation is inside this flow, and we can't reuse this code efficiently. The strategy is you need to externalize this code to a DWL file. If you keep this code in a DWL file, you can refer the DWL file anywhere, wherever the transformation is required, right? Therefore, it increases the reusability of the code, and at the same time it increases the readability of your flow document. So if you see the flow here, I'm seeing the data view language code. This is very small transformation, therefore a few lines is okay. If this transformation is quite complex, right, it spans around 30 lines or 40 lines, then it decreases the readability of your document. Okay, so the recommendable approach is you need to remove the in code from here, transformation code from here, and you need to keep into the a DWL file, and you need to refer the DWL file here. So that is a process. So in this demonstration, I want to how to externalize the this code from here, and how to keep into DWL file, and how to refer the this code from the DWL file. Okay, for that, now I need to create a DWL file. So in the src main resources, I can create a DWL file. So here where I create a DWL file, and this is a code I kept over here. Or else you can right click over here, and you can create a new file. Okay, and we can keep like my transform dot DWL file. Okay, so now you created a new DWL file, right? And whatever code that is inline, you need to move from your flow to DWL file, and cut from here, and cool. So now DWL file is created. Now what you need to do is you need to refer the DWL file where you remove that. I remove from that, and remove this seeded all the stuff, and come over here and control space, so that you get some options. Go to resource, and from the resource refer the file name. So my file name is my transform.dwl, right? So simple. Now save it, and go to flow, and click the transformation message component. You can able to see the code. So this code is now pulling from the file, DWL file, not inline, right? So this way you need to externalize the data view code to the DWL file, right? So thank you so much for watching this video. Thank you.